Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is English Grammar JK. Friends, we have discussed already past indefinite tense and past continuous tense, then past perfect tense. We have completed these things so far. And today, friends, I am going to introduce that is past perfect continuous tense. Okay, friends? Past perfect continuous tense to যদিও সাধাৰণতে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা নহয় আজিকালি তাৰ ফলনি past continuous tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়. So we see that so many students find it something difficult to explain what is actually past perfect continuous tense and what is the difference between past continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense. And so I think as a student we should know in details about past perfect continuous tense. So friends, let's come back to my YouTube channel, that is English Grammar JK. English Grammar JK presents today past perfect continuous tense. And one thing, friends, remember, please see the video till the end. Otherwise, you will not get the points in details, because in this channel, I am not just introducing you what the basic concept of a particular tense form. All particular tense or basic কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ হয় যেটো বেসিক কনসেপ্ট হেতুকে আলোচনা কৰা নাই তোমালোকে দেখিছা বা আপোনালোকে দেখিছে নিশ্চয় যে আমি ইয়াত ইন ডিটেইলস বিভিন্ন কথা প্ৰাসংগিক কথাবিলাক আলোচনা কৰিছো when particular tense form is used, how it is used, with so many examples. Okay friends, today let's come English Grammar JK, and English Grammar presents past perfect continuous tense. This is the topic of discussion for today. যে আজি আমি কি আলোচনা কৰিছো যে past perfect continuous tense কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়. And one request is always that please subscribe the channel and like the videos. Please like to comment. Okay, and this is a source of inspiration for me to continue the videos, actually continue the channel. If you give your feedback, then I'll be very happy. Okay friends, now the first question, we have always been dealing with this question when past perfect continuous tense is used. Past perfect continuous tense to ketia ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়. Okay, in this question let us discuss the first concept, that an action that had been going on. When past perfect continuous tense is used, an action that had been going on, যে এটা কাম চলি আছিল on at or before some point of time, obviously in the past, because we are talking about past perfect continuous tense in the past. Okay, this is the basic concept. An action, if you see the sentence, an action that had been going on is itself a past perfect continuous tense form. An action that had been going on or on at or before, যে হয় কি সময়লৈকে চলি আছিল নহয় তাৰ আগলৈকে চলি আছিল, some point of time in the past, যে অতীতৰ এটা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়, যে কথাটো কেনেকুৱা যে এইটো এটা অতীতৰ সময়, suppose 7 p.m. Okay, this is the past time. This is the action started here, and action, this is A and this is B, and the time is suppose 6 p.m. This 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. লৈকে চলি আছিল. Okay, suppose this is the time of speaking. Okay, this is the time of speaking, and all these things belonging to past. Okay, now we have seen that we are talking about past time. আমি অতীতৰ কথা আলোচনা কৰি আছো, এতিয়া অতীততে কি হৈছে এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ পইণ্ট অফ টাইমৰ পৰা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ পইণ্ট অফ টাইমলৈকে বা তাৰ আগলৈকে কামটো চলি আছিল আৰু আমি এইটো হৈছে মানুহজনে যিখিনি কথাটো কৈছে কওঁতে মানুহজন ধৰি লওক এইটো চি টাইমত ইয়াত আছে তেওঁ কৈছে যে অতীতৰ কাহিনী কৈ আছে যে অতীততে এটা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়ৰ পৰা সেই নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময় এটালৈকে বা তাৰ ঠিক আগলৈকে কামটো কণ্টিনিউ চলি এই যে কাৰ্ভ পৰা আছে দিছ ইজ সিগনিফাইং কণ্টিনিউটি তাৰমানে এ পৰা বি লৈকে কামটো চলি আছিল এই সময়ৰ পৰা 6 PM পৰা 7 PM লৈকে কালি অতীতত ধৰি লওক কালি কামটো চলি আছিল in this way we have seen that this is the basic concept of past perfect continuous tense what we have got here that কোনো এটা কাম মই অসমীয়াত কৈ দিছো যে কোনো এটা কাম অতীত কালত কোনো এটা কাম এটা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়লৈকে বা তাৰ ঠিক আগমুহূৰ্তলৈকে কামটো চলি আছিল এতিয়া চলিছিল যে অতীত কালত চলিছিল এটা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়ৰ পৰা এইটো নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময় ইয়াৰ পৰা কামটো চলি আছিল এই নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময় এটালৈকে এইটো হৈছে past continuous tense আৰু দিছ ইজ হৈছে টাইম অফ স্পিকিং ওকে এতিয়া সেই মানুহজনে ক'লে কি যে এ সময়টোৰ পৰা বি সময়টোলৈকে অতীতত and this is আকৌ past or suppose we are talking about yesterday যে কালি কথা কৈছে কালি এ সময়টোৰ পৰা বি সময়টোলৈকে কামটো চলি আছিল this is time of speaking okay this is the past continuous tense অতীত কালৰ এক নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়ৰ পৰা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়লৈকে কামটো চলি থাকিলে হেতুকে past continuous tense আমি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো and যেহেতু past continuous tense হলনি normally we use past continuous tense these days so many friends don't like to pay their attention regarding past perfect continuous tense still we should know what is the concept of past perfect continuous tense how it is used and how to be used and when to use past perfect continuous tense all these things we should know very clearly and in details okay this is not a very difficult task only the concept is that from a particular time of the past to a particular time of the past an action was going on and these things are to be written in past perfect continuous tense and again I repeating it since we can use past continuous tense instead of this past perfect continuous tense but we should know the concept okay an action that had been going on from a particular time in the past to a particular time in the past okay this is the basic concept for example I had been reading a book take some example okay number 1 I had been reading a book when suppose when he saw me yesterday okay যেতিয়া কালি তেওঁ মোক দেখিছিল তেতিয়া কি হৈছিল মই কিবা এখন পঢ়ি আছিলো বুক কিতাপ এখন পঢ়ি আছিলো এই যে সাবজেক্ট প্লাস হেড প্লাস বিন প্লাস মেইন ভার্ব আইএনজি দিস ইজ দা স্ট্রাকচার সাবজেক্ট আহিব তাৰ পিছতে হেড হ'ব তাৰ পিছতে বিন তাৰ পিছতে মেইন ভার্ব আইএনজি this is the structure of past perfect continuous tense and we will discuss it surely in the construction chapter now we have seen যেতিয়া মই তেওঁক দেখিছিলো ইয়াত কি কৈছে যে যেতিয়া when he saw me yesterday যেতিয়া তেওঁ মোক দেখিছিল সেই সময়টো কি হৈছিল সেই সময়টো লৈকে I had been reading a book যে মই এখন কিতাপ পঢ়ি আছিলো তেতিয়া লৈকে পঢ়ি আছিলো কি কৈছে যেতিয়া কালি তেওঁ মোক দেখিছিল বা লগ পাইছিল সাপোজ তেওঁ মোক কালি কোনবা এটা সময়ত সাপোজ টাইমটো নকওঁ কালি তেওঁ মোক 9 AM তেওঁ মোক 9 AM ত লগ পাইছিল তাৰ আগৰ পৰা সাপোজ 8 AM ৰ পৰা মই কিতাপখন পঢ়ি আছিলো and this is the time of speaking তেওঁ কৈছে কালি কথা কৈছে কালি যে 9 AM ত তেওঁ মোক দেখিছিল আৰু তাৰ আগৰ পৰা 8 বজাৰ পৰা সাপোজ মই কামটো কৰি আছিলো কিতাপখন পঢ়ি আছিলো in this way an action that was going on in the past time to a particular time in the past okay this is example number 1 In the same way, she had been cooking. Suppose she had been cooking. Okay, now randhi asil. She had been cooking. When I met her, suppose when I met her, okay, met her at home. Suppose at home. Okay. In this sentence, we have seen that she had been cooking. This is past perfect continuous tense. When I met her at home. যেতিয়া ঘৰত লগ পাইছিলোঁ, this is past indefinite tense. Okay. যেতিয়া মই তেওঁক দেখিছিলোঁ পাষ্টৰ এটা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়ত, তেওঁক কালি মই যেতিয়া লগ পাইছিলোঁ ঘৰত, সেইটো সময়ত মহিলাগৰাকীয়ে কি কৰিছিলে? ৰন্ধা বঢ়া কাম কৰি আছিলে বা ৰান্ধি আছিল. In this way, we have seen, in these two examples, we have seen that action was going on from a particular to a particular time of the past, and action started before a particular time in the past also. Okay, and it was now 7 p.m. Example number 3. It was now 7 p.m. Okay. গধূলি 7 বজাৰ কথা কৈছিলে. It was now 7 p.m. and he was tired. And he was T-I-R-E-D. He was tired because কিহৰ কাৰণে tired আছিলে? Because he had been working. Tired, B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because he had been working since morning. Okay, this is the sentence. Now you see that আমি কি দেখিছোঁ যে he had been working. This part is past perfect continuous tense. Since morning, ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা সি কাম কৰি আছিল. So সেই 7 বজাত মানুহজন টায়াৰ্ড হৈ গৈছিল. ৰাতি গধূলি 7 বজাত যেতিয়া তেওঁক মই দেখিছোঁ, তেতিয়া কি হৈছে যে এই যে গধূলি 7 বজাৰ সময়টোৰ কথা কৈছে, he was tired. এই সময়টো এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ টাইম, সেই 7 বজাৰ সময়ত মানুহজন টায়াৰ্ড হৈ গৈছিল, ভাগৰুৱা হৈ গৈছিল, কাৰণ তেওঁ ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা কাম কৰি আছিলে. সেই গধূলি 7 বজালৈকে তেওঁ কাম কৰি আছিলে আৰু সেইটো কাৰণে মানুহজন ভাগৰুৱা হৈ গৈছিল. In this way, we have seen that action started in the morning and it was continuing till 7 p.m. in the past. So in this way we use past perfect continuous tense. Okay, friends. Now he had been painting the wall. Very simple sentence. She had been painting. Doubt. A very simple sentence. I am writing this simple sentence. She had been painting the wall. There is no reference of time, but কথাটো কৈছে যে তেওঁ মানুহগৰাকীয়ে কি কৰিছিলে? ৱালখনত পেইণ্টিং কৰি আছিল. In this way, we see that the action started far earlier in the past and it was going on to a particular time in the past also. Okay, in this way, past perfect continuous tense is used. And example, use number 2, the point number 2. Apart from that, এইটো হৈছে বেসিক কনসেপ্ট আমি আলোচনা কৰিলো যে এটা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময় বা নিৰ্দিষ্ট সময়লৈকে অতীতত কামটো চলি আছিল, past perfect continuous tense হয়. তাৰ উপৰিও one point I would like to share with you, and this is a repeated action যেতিয়া হয়, বাৰে বাৰে কামটো যেতিয়া কৰি আছিল অতীতত, we can use past perfect continuous tense in that sense also. A repeated action in the past perfect continuous can be used to mean a repeated action. R-E-P-E-A-T-E-D, repeated action. যিটো বাৰে বাৰে কৰি থকা হয়, কৰি আছিল, ৰিপিট কৰি আছিল, বাৰে বাৰে কৰি আছিলে, যে repeated action in the past. আৰু repeated action টো হ'ব লাগিব in the past. Obviously, it should be in the past because we are talking about past perfect continuous tense, past tense, and a repeated action in the past. অতীতৰ বাৰে প্ৰতি ঘটি থকা এটা কাম can be written in past perfect continuous tense. Okay, can be written in past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Past perfect continuous tense. কি বুঝাইছে যে repeated action in the past. A repeated action in the past. অতীতত বাৰে প্ৰতি চলি থকা কাম ভগনাৰ হৈ থকা কামৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত past perfect continuous tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়. She had been calling me 6 times, for example. That she had been calling me 6 times yesterday. কালি তেওঁ মোক 6 বাৰ ফোন কৰিছিল. In this sentence we have seen that repeated action is being discussed here. She had been calling me. She had been calling me. This part, she had been calling me. It's a repeated action for 6 times yesterday. Kali তেওঁ মোক 6 বাৰ বাৰে 6 বাৰ তেওঁ মোক ফোন কৰিছিল. The repeated action was going on in the past. And again, he had been trying to get his friend on the phone. Okay, I should write the sentence about this example. Okay, example number 2. Suppose he had been trying, trying to meet me over the phone. Okay, simple sentence. যে তেওঁ কালি মোক ফোনত লগ পাবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰি আছিল, বহুতবাৰ চেষ্টা কৰি আছিলে, তাৰমানে ফোন কৰি আছিলে, মোক লগ পোৱা নাছিলে কাৰণে repeatedly he was trying to meet me. This is the meaning of the sentence, and in this sense we use past perfect continuous tense. Friends, this is about the use of past perfect continuous tense. We can use past perfect continuous tense in this way also. And what about past perfect continuous tense or ব্যৱহাৰ আমি যেহেতু very normally we use past continuous tense instead of past perfect continuous tense. I think this is the two concepts. These are the two concepts we should know in details. And apart from that, what is the next question about past perfect continuous tense is how we already know how to use past perfect continuous tense. We have seen how to use the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, and next question is how কেনেকৈ গঠন কৰা হয়. How means form. Okay, we have seen the subject plus head, past perfect form, past form of have or has. In past present perfect continuous tense we use have been or has been, and now we use had been plus main verb ing. Since it is a continuous tense, in any continuous tense we use ing with the main verb plus other. Okay, this is the structure. She had been reading. She had been reading a book. In this way, subject plus had been plus main verb plus other. This is the structure, and in this way, this is the way, or this is the form we use past perfect continuous tense. And like the other tenses, we again show the conjugation. How is the relationship with subject and verb. Okay, this is singular, this is plural, and this is person. We have already come to know all these things. First, second, third. I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These things we know all, which all the subjects have been plus main verb ing. Had been plus main verb ing. Had been doing, same. Had been doing. 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 Had been. Same. There is no difference. With all the subjects, subject or pisot had been plus main verb ing. Had been plus main verb ing. and this is the conjugation, and this is the structure, and along with what we have already discussed when past perfect continuous tense is used. And friends, I think you have liked the video how to use past perfect continuous tense. And friends, in the next class we shall go to future tense. And suppose you have come to know so many things about past tense. Okay, with this let me finish the class for today. Thank you. Subscribe কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব, like কৰিব আৰু comment কৰিব. Okay, with this request let me finish the class for today.